In this video, you're going to learn step by step how to make $100 per day on Digistore24. Even if you have no experience, even if you don't have much to invest, even if you hate selling with a passion. Best part about all this is you could do this from anywhere in the world. However, if you don't slam that subscribe button right now, this will not work. You got 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Did you subscribe? Awesome. So now that you've done that, what do you say we get those Benjamins? Are you ready? Awesome. Let's go. Alright, so the very first step is finding an offer to promote inside of Digistore24. And to do that, you just want to go to the top up here where it says Marketplace. When you click on this link right here, this will bring up a list of products you could decide to promote as an affiliate, right? So you've got the main pages you could, of course, navigate through. Otherwise, you also have specific niches that you can decide to go into if you want to do that, right? So you've got personal development, you got photography, you've got fitness and health, family and kids that did the dating niche. You've got plenty of different categories of products you can promote as an affiliate, right? So real quick, if you don't already have an account for Digistore24, you'll simply want to go to the site, click on the button down here where it says sign up, and then go through the steps of getting your account set up. This should really take no more than 2 minutes, right? So once you get logged in, you simply want to go over to Marketplace up here and find an offer to promote, right? So for this example, in this video, I'm going to use this product right here called Tube Monetization and Automation Program, right? So this is a YouTube training that shows you how to build, a YouTube channel, how to make passive income with YouTube, and all that type of stuff, right? And for every single sale that you get of this exact offer, you will get a commission of $155.07, right? So imagine this, right? So, let's say that your goal is, you want to make $100 a day from Digistore24. You only need one single sale of this exact offer to get to that specific amount, right? Or even like once every other day would still be about, $100 per day that you'll get from this, right? So very cool stuff, right? So if you want to promote this exact offer, then this promo link down here would be known as your affiliate link. And whenever someone goes to this link and they buy that offer, that is of course how you will get paid that commission, right? So if we check out the sales page right here, right down here, this will take you to where you can learn more about the actual product. And, you could join the program right here if you want to. You could watch the sales video where he explains more about, kind of what the course is all about. And then, of course, he's got some testimonials down here where people are sharing their experience. And this is always a good thing to see if you're going to promote something online, because there's a lot of really bad products out there and you want to make sure that what you promote is of good quality, right? So this is always a good sign to see. You've got some student testimonials down here. And then, of course, goes over the main core modules in terms of what, kind of the basic, outline of what the course is all about, right? So this goes over pretty much everything that you need to know about this exact program. And of course, if you want to promote that, all you have to do is grab your link right here and promote this link, right? So the question is, how exactly do you go about promoting this exact link, right? Because there's a lot of people doing this, that, trying to promote different offers online. And, the question is, how exactly do you get people to click on your link and actually buy that offer, right? So what I want to show in this video is hands down what I feel is the easiest way to make sales as a complete beginner. And this is assuming that, you have very little to no experience. You haven't really had much success online before. Maybe you don't have a massive ad budget. Maybe you want to get into results rather quickly. You're feeling a bit impatient and you want to start making sales online very quickly, right? So what I want to show you is what I feel is hands down going to be the easiest method to start making sales if you're someone who is completely brand new and you really haven't had much success online, right? So the strategy that I want to go over inside this video is something known as product reviews, right? So this could either be done with, it could either be like, in written form. You can create your own blog and you can get, articles ranked in the search engine right here, or you pretty much kind of write out your thoughts about the program, right? Or what I prefer actually is doing video reviews, right? So you could actually do this on YouTube as well. And in my case, what I did is I looked up Buy 9 to 5 Course Review. This is actually the name of the program. And there are videos right here where people have reviewed this exact program, right? So most of the videos are about, 10 to 20 minutes long. And if we check out, for example, this video, when we open that up, this is about 11-minute video, not too long, really, 10 minutes of pretty much kind of guy pretty much kind of shares his thoughts on the program. He, shows inside the training and kind of what it's all about. So he has actually bought the program and, gone through it. So that is one thing that, that also helps if you have access to the program, if you actually bought it and you're able to, kind of show inside the inside the program. That's always a great way to increase sales. If you don't have the money to buy the program, that's completely fine as well. You could either, show just this screen right here, or what you could even do is request access to a review copy. And I'll kind of show about how you can do that in a second here. But, you can create a video review. And then at the end of your video, you want to give a call to action to where people can check out the main program, right? So, at the end of your video, you want to say, if you want to, check this out for yourself, all you have to do is click on the link down below. And that is where when someone clicks on this link, they will get taken to the program. And when someone buys it, that is, of course, how he makes his commissions right there. So think about this, right? The reason why product reviews is a really great way to go about, when it comes to, just starting out, is because whenever someone searches up product name plus review, they're very likely in that buying mode. So they want to know, they have their credit card in hand and they want to know, okay, is this actually worth it? Can I get results with this program? And if you can give a well thought out review where you pretty much kind of go over exactly what it's all about, you share your honest opinions, the pros and cons, all the benefits that they're going to get from this exact program, this is one of the easiest ways that you can start making sales with affiliate marketing, right? And just to really give you an idea, this video right here has about 6,000-ish views, which isn't necessarily like, an insane amount by any means. But think about it. These are people that are interested in learning about this exact program. So let's say, for example, that out of these 6,000 people, let's say that maybe like, 100 of them actually bought the product. Or let's say, let's be super conservative and let's say that like 50 people bought it. So if we do the math right here, we do 155, the commission amount, times like, let's say 50 people bought it. That's an extra $7,750 that this guy made with just one video alone that took him like 10 minutes to make. Does that sound awesome or what? I don't know about you, but an extra $7,000, for 10 minutes of work, to me that sounds like a no-brainer right there. So this is really just to give you an idea in terms of what is possible with this exact strategy. And to even show you even more proof, I made a video myself where I reviewed a different program from, a different affiliate program. But, again, it's the same exact strategy. I did this product review about a month ago. And from this one video alone, this 10-minute video, I got 2 sales that were, each around $100, right? So $93.61 from just one video alone. And that took me about 10 minutes to make, right? So this is really just to give you an idea in terms of what is exactly possible when you use a strategy. And if you want to make video reviews like this where you're inside your computer screen, the one thing that you will need for this is a screen recorder. So the one that I use personally is called Screencast-O-Matic. You can get this for free, doesn't cost you anything, and you can of course test this out and kind of see, kind of what you think with this right there. So you can create your video review, and the one more thing that I actually want to show is if you decide to create video reviews or even like reviews on like a blog post, what you could actually do is you could actually request access to a review copy, right? So if you go over to this page right here and you click on affiliate support page, this will actually take you to where it gives you some resource that you could use as an affiliate, right? So what you could do is down here at the bottom, you can contact this email right here, and you could write to them saying like, I just found your offer right here. I think it looks really cool. Would you be open to providing me with a review copy? I'd really be interested in, of course, testing it out and doing a review. And in most cases, a lot of these vendors will be open to providing you with a review copy where you could test it out for yourself. You can go through the actual program, and then you could, of course, share your thoughts by, showing inside the program, right? So you could do that. And then also another really cool thing you could do is you could leverage some of these resources here. So inside of this program, he has some student testimonials, as I showed earlier, and you could actually use these inside of your video. So if you create a video review, I recommend that you actually make your own video first of all, but then what you could do is at the end of your video, or maybe at like the very beginning, you could insert maybe, 1 or 2 of these videos where it shows someone else sharing their experience, right? And this is a great way to kind of build up that credibility with that exact offer, and it'll kind of make people much more comfortable with actually making that buying decision, right? So that's just another really cool thing that I thought I'd share in this video. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. And if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing step by step, if you want to learn how to get more long-term consistent sales online, because there's one downside with this exact strategy, and that is in a way you are kind of relying on the algorithms to bring in people, right? So if someone searches up, if you rely fully on like product reviews, then you're kind of relying on people to just search up product name plus review, and then they of course watch your video, and then they kind of decide that in there if they want to buy the program, right? So I think it's a great way to get started, but if you want to get more sales, in the long term where it's much more on a consistent basis, then what I recommend that you do is click on the very first link down below. That will take you over to my free training that I put together about how to build a highly profitable business online, and this is a free 4-day training that I put together myself. All you have to do to get access to this is enter your first name and email, and from there you'll get instant access to my free 4-day training, right? So anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.